This tutorial will show you how to customize the automatic power and playback features of your Sennheiser Bluetooth headphones and earbuds. It's quick, easy, and can be done from our free Smart Control Plus app. To see if your model has these features, look in the caption of this video and use the timeline to navigate to the section you need. First, make certain you have the latest version of Smart Control Plus installed and that your firmware is up to date. We're always improving the experience. Let's start with headphones that have an ear cup. With your headphones on and actively connected to your smartphone, open the app and jump into the Settings menu. The first feature you want to learn is on-head detection. The headphone has sensors that can determine if they are being worn and can pause your music if you take them off or answer an incoming call by putting them back on. This is a convenient feature for the workplace or if you typically get frequent interruptions yet always keep your headphones nearby. You can disable it and the related features with a tap. With this feature off, active audio content will continue unless you power them down with the button or dock them in the case. If you fold them completely flat, you do not need to touch the power button, but you can still use it if you like manual controls. The case will always instruct the headphones to power down as long as they are seated correctly. Removing them from the case will always activate charged headphones, even if you used the button to turn them off. So, it's a best practice to zip up the case when not in use to prevent accidental activation while in your bag. True wireless earbuds that are paired to your audio source will attempt to reconnect when you open the case, even if the buds are docked. Think of it as telling your source you're about to use the earbuds. From here, you can see that each earbud has a sensor in the earpiece, and that will control various functions. Let's open the Smart Control Plus app and jump into the Settings menu. Here, you can toggle two convenient features: auto pausing when the earbuds are taken out of your ear and auto answering calls when removed from the case. Placing the earbuds back in your ears will resume playback. You can toggle them on or off to taste and change them at any time afterwards. Lastly, select headphones have a power saving mode as well, which is useful if you do not intend on using or charging them for a period of time. In the Settings menu, look for Auto Power Off and set it accordingly. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and if you need any additional tips or tricks, contact us at Sennheiser-hearing.com. Happy listening.